Information science. Okay. So, may I know the reason for choosing information science?
Ma'am, I have getting interest going into going in IT field. Ma'am. I have interest in IT field. That's why I chose this.
Okay. So, the reason for the interest in IT.
Ma'am, as my seniors suggest this thing in engineering, this has
Okay. So,
more scope other compared to other branches.
okay. So, your senior suggested you for like IT has a better scope compared to other departments, is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you think that is it more does it have a more scope than other departments as per your knowledge?
Yeah, ma'am. I think because I saw many placement happening in our college, and more placement happened uh, in our branch and CS and EC, ma'am, compared to other branches.
All right. So, based on your senior suggestion, you went for an IT field. That is fine. So now tell me about your like family.
Family in the sense, I have two brothers, ma'am. One is younger and one is elder brother. And my dad work as a contractor,
Mm-hmm.
and my mom is a household.
Okay. So you're pursuing your engineering in information science, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's come to your resume part. You have done. You have certificates on programming, Python, and Android, is it? So could you
Yeah,
tell me
ma'am.
something about Android Android mobile apps? What have you learned there? What have you?
Ma'am,
What all the like sessions that you have covered?
sessions in the sense I have learned how to create, how to design the front end model of the Android app, and now we are doing a project on that, ma'am. A minor project, and we have just started to implement that, and that's it.
Okay. So is it Android recent version Nougat? Is it?
Yeah, ma'am. My recent was version means, ma'am. I think I learned it
No,
to
here you have in your
2 years
resume you have
back video.
mentioned as 1 second. In your resume certificate, you have mentioned as Android Nougat mobile apps training, is it? I guess it is Nougat. You have mentioned it as not. So is it right or what? It's Nougat or something else?
I don't know, ma'am. Mm, I don't know, ma'am. They just what they gave a name. I
All right.
just
All right. So what do you know about Python?
basics things, ma'am. Like ma'am, that certificate I have, but I didn't completed that course fully, ma'am. I didn't got the time. That's why I stopped in the middle. But I have learned basic things, maps like if else
Okay, so
and how to print and how to write some programs like
complete knowledge. All right. So you have done the projects right in your college. First-
yeah, ma'am. It did, ma'am.
Hello. Uh, is it audible? Yeah. Yeah. You have done your projects in your college. So could you explain me about your project?
Ma'am, we did a project on first project on HTML, ma'am, web pages, and it was on searching places like local places, ma'am, famous places like in Dharwada, Bendre Bhavana, Sadankeri Park, or Kesi Park. like these places, ma'am,
Okay.
using HTML code. And in our second project, we
Okay.
did using a Python program, that is web portal, ma'am, regarding about uh, COVID increase and decreasement of corona cases, ma'am, death and recover, how it can like that. And now we are doing Android that app.
Okay. So what was your role in the project? What, like, you were using coding or designing, or what exactly your role was?
One, in HTML, I took some coding part, ma'am, and in Python, I did only collecting regarding of the database, ma'am, data management. And now I am not yet started on that project. I'm doing documentation, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So C programming, Python, and all, which are other languages you are like familiar?
I'm familiar since C, ma'am, C and Java. I learned C and Java, but in Java I'm not as much as perfect, ma'am. Like I know basics things, ma'am, and I'm studying now, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your future goal, Prashant?
Future goal in the sense, ma'am, getting a job and doing it.
Okay. So you want to get into a normal life job, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I have this much of say,
Okay. So what are your like strengths? What is your strength?
strength. No, I didn't know what. I don't know.
Okay. Like, did you understand the question? So strength in the sense,
Ma'am, I got
what
it,
are
ma'am.
your
Strength in the
skills
sense.
which, yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it, ma'am, but
Do
I
you
don't
have,
know how to tell, ma'am. I don't have that much confidence to
yeah.
tell where I am, where I have got very much good strength.
Okay. So why do you think you don't have confidence?
Ma'am, I never did a full project and I didn't completed full Python that course also, ma'am. That's why, uh,
Okay. So why didn't you complete?
ma'am, time, ma'am. After that, when I started learning on Python, ma'am, suddenly after 2 months,
Hmm.
my college starts, ma'am, and in that I couldn't complete the full course, ma'am. And in project,
Okay.
we have to do
So if,
big work.
okay, all right. But like when if we are going for a interview in a real like in a company interviews and all. So do you think this excuse will help you out in any way?
No, ma'am, definitely not.
Definitely not, right? Because if you are not completing the things or completing the task which have been assigned to you, that will show that you are not a competitive person. I think you have to work on that. Is it?
Yes, ma'am, I have to work.
Yes. So, so like now your online classes are going, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, it's good.
Uh, okay, fine. So, what I would suggest, based on your profile, is you have to work on your confidence first, okay? And when you are in an interview, make sure you are fully groomed
Yeah.
in terms of your dressing or the way you look. You should be well groomed so that the recruiter or HR should be like interested to talk to you. This is just a suggestion. Since you are pursuing your engineering, this is fine for now, but when you are really coming into real world interviews and all, you should be more serious, more prepared, and you cannot say that that if you are not prepared, or I did half your certification, that won't work out, or it won't help you in any positive way in future. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so fine then, Prashant, we'll get back to you on that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.